Italy is the kind of place that hijacks your bucket list in the best way. One trip turns into 5 plans, 3 screenshots, and a promise to come back. Start in Rome, where every crosswalk is basically a time machine. I grab an espresso that tastes like confidence, then cruise past the Colosseum at dawn when it's just me, the birds, and 2,000 years of drama. Toss a coin in the Trevi fountain. Yeah, it's cliché, but tradition is tradition. Florence? It's where art stares back. I stand in front of Michelangelo's David and forget to blink. Then I climb the Duomo for that terracotta rooftop view that feels like a Renaissance screensaver come to life. Venice is a poem written on water. I get gloriously lost because that's the point, and end up on a tiny bridge during sunset as a gondola slides by like a quiet secret. Tuscany rolls out like a green carpet. Vineyards, cypress-lined lanes, stone farmhouses. I sip Chianti, break into a pecorino smile, and watch a golden hour that refuses to clock out. Down on the Amalfi Coast, the cliffs hold their breath over an electric blue sea. I hike the path of the gods, then reward myself with lemon everything. Granita, gelato. Cinque Terre? 5 paint-splashed villages stacked like a pastel dare. I hop the trail, jump on a train, and end the day with a seafood dinner that tastes like the Mediterranean told a joke. In the north, the Dolomites slice the sky. I catch sunrise at a mirror-still lake and feel tiny in the best possible way. Sicily brings volcano energy. I taste pistachio gelato that rewires my expectations, then watch Mount Etna glow like a living fireplace. Puglia surprises me with whitewashed towns, those trilly rooftops that look like fairy hats. Matera's Cave City? It's a movie set you can sleep in. And the food, Naples pizza, Roman carbonara, Alba truffles. Every bite is a plot twist. Here's the play. Pick one region, slow down, and let Italy do the heavy lifting. Screenshot this list, drop it on your bucket list, and promise yourself a date with the Dolce Vita. When you go, you won't just see Italy, you'll feel it.